And welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have some first hands-on leaks of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition by Jimmy is Promo. Okay, here you can see the S20 Fan Edition in all its glory. It has surprisingly slightly bigger bezels than I would think around the side, but amazingly its punch hole actually looks smaller than the S20 normal flagship phone, so that's something. But on the back you can see here we have what will be a 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel 3x optical zoom, with apparently here saying by Jimmy's Promo 10 times digital plus 3 times optical equals 30 times. So I'm guessing it'll have a max 30 times zoom. But anyway, you can see also the back is made of plastic, but that is expected on this price cutting flagship phone. I wouldn't expect anything less. But anyway, Jimmy's Promo has given us some specs, and it will have a 6.5 inch Full HD Plus screen with an astonishing 120 Hz refresh rate, IP68 water resistant, and a nice price, which isn't a spec but is good to know. 32 megapixel selfie shooter, and will come with One UI 2.5, and it says right between that S20 and S20 Plus. Not sure what he means by that. But anyway, it will also be coming with reverse wireless charging and wireless charging, and 15 watt charger in the box, but support for 25 watts of charging, which means you should get some pretty good charging speeds on it. It will have a 4,500 milliamp hour battery, and is rumoured to be coming with a Exynos 990 in 4G markets, with a Snapdragon 865 in 5G markets. So you should probably import one from like America if you want the best of the best, because that will be the Snapdragon. But anyway, the event launch will be taking place on the 23rd of September at 3 o'clock British summertime. You'll be able to watch the launch live, obviously online on YouTube, and is expected to be in stores in October 2020. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like and comment for future videos, subscribe and hit that bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.